Hey everyone, out of the box here. So today I've just ordered one of the new MacBook Pros that's released. I've ordered the 16-inch M1 Max. So that's the 10-core CPU and 32-core GPU. So with that I've ordered 32 gigabytes of RAM and a terabyte of storage. So it just dropped today in Australia, being the 26th of October. And I just thought I would take you through the unboxing and initial thoughts of the MacBook itself. So let's get into it. So please excuse the horrible car lighting. Just at the shops and picked up the laptop itself here. First thoughts, it's big, it's heavy. I mean, it's a 16-inch laptop, but it is still very big. So let's just get back home and we'll see how it is. Hey everyone, so I picked it up. Super simple from the Apple Store. It was literally just a matter of showing my ID and the invoice. So let's just take it out. Like I said, it's quite heavy. See right there. And let's get into unboxing it. So now that the wrapper is off, we just take off the cardboard lid. Move that to the side over there. You can see here we have the laptop itself. It is big. Wow, I'll put my hand there for comparison. It is a big laptop. No, it's a 16-inch. But going into it, knew it was big, but this is a heavy. Wow, let's put that down there. We have the laptop itself there, the new MagSafe cable, all the warranty information and the power brick down there. So you can see here, we've got the MacBook Pro etched in here. If it wants to focus, I'm not going to try and do that one-handed, so I'll just put that down. So flipping it over, so I do not want to grab it, so you can see here. So very, very shiny, as you'd expect from a brand new. You can see I've already left some fingerprints on it, but flip that around. And let's take a look at the laptop itself. So just do the good old one-fingered lift. And there's the classic Apple startup sound. So you can see here we've got the all-black keyboard with the full-size function keys. And I should mention the Touch ID up there. So they've removed the touch bar and they've added a multitude of ports. So we can see here, we've got MagSafe, 2 USB-C, which is Thunderbolt, and a headphone jack, which has sort of an inbuilt DAC in it for high fidelity headphones. We can see there, it's just booting up. And then on this side, we have the SD card, HDMI 2, that's not 2.1, but
to use English as the main language, press the return key.
There it is, and another Thunderbolt. So, on first thoughts, let me just peel this off. Okay, wow, that is very bright. It's not even on the brightest setting, I wouldn't think. I can't set that up yet, but just on initial thoughts, I don't think that notch will annoy me too much. Space Gray is awesome. Sort of deliberating between Space Gray and Silver, but it does look super nice, especially with this massive screen. But I guess time will tell with the notch. If you did enjoy the video, it was just a quick unboxing of the 16-inch MacBook Pro, new one that's released. If you have any questions, I know I probably have a million of them before I bought it. Feel free to hit me up with a comment or a message. And yeah, thanks for watching.